Is your Subaru Impreza key fob not working from as far away as it used to? A weak or dead battery is the most common cause. Replacing it yourself is easy, saves money versus a dealer visit, which can cost $50 to $100 in labor, and only takes a few minutes for 2015 to 2024 models. The 2015-2024 Subaru Impreza key fob uses a CR2032 3-volt lithium coin cell battery. While very early 2015 models might use a CR2025, the CR2032 is the standard. These batteries are widely available at drugstores, supermarkets, and online for around $1 to $3. Confirm the number on your old battery before purchasing. To open the key fob, start by locating the small slot on the side of the fob near where the physical key flips out. Next, insert the flathead screwdriver or prying tool into this slot. Then gently twist the tool. The fob case should pop open. Be careful not to apply too much force to avoid damaging the plastic. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the CR2032 battery inside. Pay attention to its orientation, with the positive side facing up. Use a screwdriver to gently pry the old battery out. Be careful not to damage the contacts. Now insert the new CR2032 battery, making sure the positive side is facing up. This ensures proper electrical connection. Finally, ensure the battery sits securely in the compartment before closing the fob. Align the two halves of the key fob case and press them firmly together until they snap shut. Ensure there are no gaps and that the case is securely closed. A proper seal prevents dust and moisture from entering. Now test the key fob to confirm the battery replacement worked. Press each button to verify functionality. First, test the lock and unlock buttons by pressing them and checking if your vehicle responds. Next, test the trunk release button if your Impreza has one. Then test the panic alarm button. It should activate your vehicle's alarm system. Finally, check that buttons feel smooth and the fob works from its normal range. If the fob still doesn't work after replacement, double-check that the battery is oriented correctly with the positive side up, and verify you're using a fresh battery. Inserting it upside down can damage the internal circuitry. If problems continue, consult a professional technician. Dispose of old batteries responsibly at a recycling center to avoid environmental harm. Remember that improper battery replacement could void your Subaru warranty if it causes damage to the fob.